Hello and welcome to this tutorial of SQL Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about two SQL functions, that is first value and last value. Here I will create a small table, then I will insert some data into that. Then I will use these two functions in order to show how these two functions works. So let me create a small table here first. After that I will explain you everything. So this is, suppose I'm creating a table, create table, suppose T1, and I'm declaring two column in this table. Like these columns are type double, column 2, this is also type double. So now I will execute this statement. So we can see this table has been created. So now I will insert some data into this table. Insert into this table. Suppose I'm putting value like 9, 1, and let me now execute this. Now there are some errors. Okay, into you have to give the table name here, T1. Okay, now it worked. Now I will enter two more entries into this table. Suppose I'm going to put as here 10, and here suppose I'm putting as 4, and I'm putting another row as suppose 5, and here it is suppose 2. So let me execute this last two statement. Now it is inserted. So let me see the data of this table. Select star from T1. Now if we see the data, how does it look now? We can see the entries like 9, 1, 10, 12, 10, 4 and 5, 2. Now I will now use the function first value in this example. So how we are going to use it? So select first value, then from column 1, that is my column 1, order by column 2 from T1. So we use the function first value and last value whenever we are doing some ordering. We are comparing with the other column, like we are comparing with, like if I show you the data here, like we have two column 1 and column 2. Now we want to show you the first value in respect to column 2, where it means it will do the ordering, like first this is the second value, fourth the third value. So what is the first? This is the 1 is the first value in this column 2, because we are comparing with column 2. So 9 will be picked up. So if we just execute this one, this, you can see that 9 has been picked up. So because we are comparing with the other table, and based on the other table order, it will pick up the first value. And now in this case, suppose now if we see the data in it, when it does the ordering like 1, 2 and 4, and if we use the last value, and now we have used first value, now if we use last value, then 4 will be the last one. So what is the last value of 4? That is the 10, right? So in this case, so if we use the last value option here, last value, then we are expecting to get the value 10. Yes, it is right, because it does the ordering in this table. We can see that we have written the order like order by column 2. It means it does the ordering in this table. So for that one, so this row becomes the first, this one second, and this is third. So this is the last row. That's why we're getting 10 value here, right? So we can give one more example just to show you this one, like this last value option. Suppose we're going to use 5 here. Okay, suppose we're going to use 5 and the value is suppose 2. So let me execute this. Now we will see how the data is. Look, now here if we do the ordering on column 2, then this row becomes the last one, because last 5 is the most value in this column. So we are gonna get the value 2 if we execute this statement, last value. Let me execute this. Yes, we received the value 2. So that is all about this first value and last value function. So thank you, and thank you for watching, and please look into my other videos. I have given the description link in my below description. Please have a look at those, and also please subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching.